Hello Kurdish learners, hello everyone that watching my classes, Kurdish class. For today we have another lesson of Kurdish language, and for today I'm going to teach you two more feelings, okay? As you know that we have 3 videos and we discussed like 6 feelings, okay? And you can watch those videos and continue this with this video, and I'm sure you are going to learn if you practice them. So now let's start our lesson for today, that we have 2 feelings, and there are angry and stress. So for today we learn how to say these 2 feelings. So let's start. So we have angry. Okay, angry in Kurdish is tura. Okay, it's like r, not r. Tura. Okay, so angry, tura. So now we will say I am angry. You will say turam. You'll not say min turam, but you say turam. We put m in the end. Turam. So now we will learn how to say I'm not angry. You will say turanim. So turam means I am angry. I am not. Turanim. So now we will learn to say you are angry. In Kurdish you will say turay or turayt. Or too right. Okay, so too right is giving something like you can make ask caution as well. If you ask caution in Kurdish, gonna be same. Too right. Okay, too right. So I will teach you how to make caution as well. Before that, let's learn how to say you are not angry. In Kurdish is going to be turanit. So turay, turate, okay, and for negative turanit. So now let's learn how to make a caution, and I told you in the previous video how to make cautions with feeling. So are you angry? Aya turay. You can use this form, okay, this sentence aya, and put the feeling that you want to ask about it. Aya turay, aya dulkhoshi, aya bitaqati, aya mandui, aya nakhoshi. So this is the caution, okay? In Kurdish, caution is persiar. So ama persiar kabu. That was a caution. So now let's learn how to say stress in English. In Kurdish. So stress in Kurdish is qalaq. So we don't have that sound in English, but we write it as a Q in English. Okay. So qalaq. So because that's not exist in English, so it's going to be kind of hard to pronounce. So qalaq. And if you practice more, so it's going to be so easy when you pronounce it. So qalaq. So now let's learn how to say I am stressed. So I am stressed. qalaqm. Okay, I am stressed. qalaqm. Okay, so now let's learn how to say I'm not stressed. You will say qalaq neem. This is negative form. qalaq neem. So qalaqm, qalaq neem. you are stressed, in Kurdish is going to be قلقي or قلقت. قلقي or قلقت. And guys, you can write it down as handwriting. Okay, which handwriting by your ear and how you hear the sound. You can write it by yourself and practice on it. Because I already had some classes and they have problems with the writing that I'm writing, but it's Kurdish Latin that we use in the chat and daily conversation. So you can write by your handwriting. So قلقي قلق قلقيت. Okay, قلقي قلقيت. So now we will learn how to say you are not stressed. قلق نيت. قلق نيت. Okay, so now we use the same rule. Okay, the same rule that we wanted to make cautions. Okay, especially when we have feelings. Okay, we ask about feelings. Has. Okay, we ask about feelings. Are you stressed? أيا قلقي. أيا قلقي. So and the response is going to be yes or no. So بلى نخير. If you are stressed, you will say yes بلى قلقم. No نخير قلق نيم. Not stress. So this rule, as I said, you can make more cautions with other feelings. لقلها استكانيكا. So now that was all the video about for today, and I teach you like with this video is going to be like 8 feelings that I teach you in Kurdish, and if you didn't watch it, you can go watch it and learn those feelings. So until the next video, have a good time. Thanks for watching.